By seeing what drivers see, we can better understand how traffic flows through a site. I'm Dalton Hanling, Traffic Studies Specialist with MoDOT's Northeast District. We use drones in a variety of ways to monitor traffic and assess the condition of our roadways. One key use is evaluating temporary and permanent traffic control setups. Drone footage gives us real-time views fast. We even use drones to simulate what drivers see. That helps us determine if a setup is working or if adjustments are needed. By seeing what drivers see, we can better understand how traffic flows through a site. That insight helps us make informed decisions, making necessary adjustments to temporary setups for permanent solutions. We first used drones at an intersection in Marion County. We captured before and after footage of temporary changes, and that data helped guide additional improvements. It's now used by traffic teams, core groups, and even our communication folks to assist in public outreach and education. Drones also improve safety. We can capture high-quality images and video with smaller crews from off the roadway, reducing the risk for our team and minimizing traffic disruptions.
Drone use is becoming important in transportation system management operations, or TSMO, because it solves several long-standing challenges in how we monitor, maintain, and optimize our transportation networks. My name is Kevin James, District Engineer for our Northeast District. Drones make it easy for us to see what's happening on our roads from above. With a quick overhead view, we can spot traffic backups, identify bottlenecks, and understand how work zones are affecting drivers in real time. It's another tool that helps us respond faster, keep traffic moving, and make smarter decisions that support safer, more reliable travel for everyone. At the end of the day, TSMO is all about using the right tools at the right time to keep Missouri moving.